So AMC today almost 4% and trying to retest the resistance around the $2.46, the squeeze zone. We have to discuss the three buyer that came right around the $2.20. This is a good sign that we have another buyer right now at the market open. But before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And remember, yes, yesterday we did a really good trade for few stocks, as you can see here from our unicorn trade, those stocks that jumped big time, like PAVS, that did really great from this breakout from this flag. So for now, what we should expect for AMC, 3% up, jumping really good toward the $2.46. Let me just show you one important update for today, which is the $2.20. Before we said the $2 is a significant level to break, and of course we broke it here, we accumulate, then we jumped. The second level is right now is the $2.20, which is what the breakout are on Thursday, and we held it since Friday and now Monday and Tuesday. This is really important level, guys, to confirm that we're gonna have a nice trajectory toward the $3. Why? Because if we held this support, is mean this is our baseline or the price value that the market agreed that AMC have a price value right now over the $2.20. So even if we pull back, we should hold the $2.20 in order to confirm the big whale still holding their position over the $2.20. And of course, this will give us a one way toward the squeeze zone, the $2.46. And of course, if once we break the $2.46, we're gonna have the three. After that, the 4, and then the 530, which is the level that we should test before the end of the next month or this month, because this is a really psychological level for AMC. But the most important level right now is go over the $2.46 and hold over it. And for time being, the $2.20 would be a really good sign that AMC will squeeze pretty soon in coming days. And of course, for GameStop is the opposite, is pulling back 2%, and we have a big seller here, still around the 2363. This is the level that we should break in order to squeeze, and the 20 is the most psychological level that we should hold. Even though we pulled back now, we didn't pull back below the level that we did, or the market maker is still holding this one because we didn't pull back below the 21 or the price that we were at during the earnings for GameStop. And of course, we're gonna do update for both of them tomorrow as usual, 30 minutes before the market open on our live streaming that we do daily on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe and put the notification on. And before that, on our Discord and BitChat.